channel, and from the title, I said from the description, from the title you guys can see that I am doing a Cleopatra inspiration Halloween makeup. I just finished filming a foundation routine on before this, so I kind of already have my base on, but I am going to do my eyes on camera, get on some wig. Girl, we gonna be looking poppin'. Okay, so in Cleopatra, she has pretty bold dark eyebrows. So I'm gonna go in and do some bold dark eyebrows. So I'm gonna go in with a little bit of brown and black. Okay, so I went ahead and did this eye off camera, and let me tell you, I didn't struggle, but it was hard to get like in the groove of, you know, getting this eye down. So this is the eye. Use a little lashes, so we're just going pretty good amount of powder. So now we're gonna take our Jaclyn Hill palette. We're gonna go in with this color, then I'm gonna go to this one, and then I'm gonna move to a different palette. So then I'm gonna take this type of flat brush, and then we're going to carve did it pretty messily because I'm just gonna end up cutting my concealer anyways. So we're gonna boy. And so then now I'm gonna take a small little fluffy brush and blend it up. Like that. And then we're gonna go on with the next shade that I showed you. Is like the little bit of a reddy color. This eye looks really good. It took like really long to do, but I just was kind of figuring out how I wanted to do like the eye and everything, and make sure to like incorporate blue and glitter and everything like that. Okay, so now that we have that pretty much blended, well, just a little bit more. Now that that's that, we are going to take we're gonna take like some concealer and a very small flat brush. Then we're gonna cut the crease. Okay, so now that I finished cutting my crease, I'm going to take another Morphe palette. Morphe used to just be sending me PR packages because I promote, like, you know. Anyways, this is very used and very dirty. This is a 25A, and I'm going to take this gold shimmer. Take it gold. Then I'm going to take my Mario Badescu, and I'm going to spray it. And then later we're going to add some glitter. Spice it up. So then we're going to do like that. We're going to put it all over the eye. Now that we got our gold on, I'm just going to take a black eyeliner. This is the Inglot gel liner. And I'm just going to do like that. And then I'm going to take from the corner of my eye and just keep going and going and going to about, oh my god, I almost got line all over me. But pretty much I'm going to do, I have a freckle right here, so I have to like be very careful, because if I do, it make it look like I messed up. So then from like about right here, I'm going to go in and fill it in. Now when I first did this on this eye, I was like, oh my god, this looks so ugly. But it just took me some time to like get it together. So then I'm gonna go in the inner corner of my eye and bring that down to make a new eyelid, or like inner corner part. So bring it out like that, and then we're gonna go back to right here, and then from right here we're going to just draw it's about right there. Go about right there. About right. Okay, so we're gonna take it about right there, and then with the rest of the liner on your brush, I'm gonna fill it in to about right, to about the arch of my eyebrow, so about right. So about right there. So about right there looks good. And so then now I'm going to take a little smudger brush and take some black eyeliner. Some black eyeshadow. But I took the 35S palette from Morphe, and mine is jacked up. Okay, I've taken this. I've flown to California with this palette, and it just got all messed up. So anyways, I took this blue right here, and then I'm taking my Inglot Duraline and squeezing some onto the palette, because I really don't use this palette. So it's on there. And so then I take a thin brush about like that, and I mix it. I mix. And then from there, I took it and went about, oh wow, look at that, I messed that up. It's okay, going over it with glitter. It's okay. It's okay, it's fine, it's fine. I'm fine, I'm fine. Oh my god. It's okay, I'm okay. Oh my goodness. My brush wasn't thin enough. Okay, I'm fine. It looks crazy, but just trust the process, okay? Because just follow the process and don't freak out. Okay, so now that we look a little messed up, I'm just gonna go back in with the gold shade. Just pat that all over there. See, look at that, already looking better. Ooh. There we go. Boom. All right, so now we're going to take our NYX glitter primer and put it on the back. You can put it anywhere, but I just put it on the back of my hand because it's just easier to dab and go and dab and go. And then we're going to take my NYX glitter in MGM Now, I guess that's what it's called. And then we're going to dump some on our palette. Okay, so let's do this a better way. So we're gonna take some of our glitter primer, top it onto only the gold part, and this is where you can really clean up the blue. So I covered it with glitter. Okay, now after that I'm gonna put my glitter over here so it doesn't fall. So now I'm going to take some of my glitter and pat. I'm gonna pat it, and if you put a gold base underneath glitter, it just looks so much better. And the glitter, I mean, glitter is glitter. It's gonna stick out regardless. But if you put a base underneath it, a gold base, and then top it, it just looks so nice. And it gives that glitter that to take Juvias Place. No, we are not taking another Morphe. This is the Saharan 2 palette. It's like this. And then we're going to take this blue right here. Oh. Okay, so I added the other lash and I added some bottom lashes a little bit to make the look a little bit more dramatic. So now we're gonna make the skin very Cleopatra. So we're gonna take some, I'm taking my Amrezy highlighter. And you see how my we're gonna make our skin very brown lip first before I go in and get golden and I'm gonna go in with my Kylie Cosmetics lip gloss in the shade Poppin. It's like this very that's gorgeous. My light is like making me look a little washed. There we go. I was like, oh, my light's making me look a little washed out. Okay, so I'm just gonna spray my face with a little bit of, God, please don't mess with my eyeliner, to make my skin look a little bit more glowy. Okay, so this is our final look. Let me go put on a wig and we'll be right back, honey.